MLCC is the first thing that comes to mind when you think of Murata capacitors. However, did you know that Murata manufactures polymer aluminum electrolytic capacitors, too? Let's take a look at the polymer capacitor ECAS series with a maximum 470 microfarads that exceeds MLCC. The polymer capacitor ECAS series is widely applied to product power circuits. For example, it is applied in laptop PCs, servers, accelerators, HDDs, panels, industrial PCs as well as LCD TVs, game consoles, networks, etc. The ECAS series, which is applied to many products, is large in capacity and has low ESR as well as low impedance. Therefore, it is possible to reduce the number of parts, stabilize the power line, and suppress reduction of output voltages. Characteristic 1. Large capacity. The ECAS series is a large capacity capacitor capable of covering for a number of capacitors with one capacitor. Compared to MLCC, the implementation area can be reduced approximately 50% and the number of parts can be reduced as well. Characteristic 2. Low ESR. The ECAS series has a superior ripple noise removing performance because of its low ESR characteristic. Characteristic 3. Low impedance. The large capacity ECAS series with a low impedance characteristic is superior in stability against fluctuations on the load side for applications with a large amount of current. Murata's ECAS series aluminum electrolytic capacitor has a large capacity, low ESR, and low impedance, contributing to the miniaturization of power circuits, etc. You can apply for free samples of the ECAS series on the aluminum electrolytic capacitor page on the Murata website. Feel free to apply.